Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find ideas in InShot. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the top of your right corner and press on the settings there. Once that is done, you can just press on find ideas here and you will be able to find ideas in this page. You can see the text to speech, for example, the voice effects, the remove objects, face blur and everything, and you can just check out the video that interests you, and in that video they will show you how to do certain things, certain editing things basically. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.